This is the quick all you need to know review of Chanel Rouge Coco Flash Lipstick. Today I am reviewing the color Boy number 54. So Rouge Coco Flash came after Rouge Coco. The difference is that Flash is more sheer, almost like a lip gloss. It is almost like a more sheer and shiny version of the Rouge Coco line. So let's talk about this color Boy. It has been hyped, one of the most hyped colors in the Chanel lines. Boy can be described as the perfect nude color. It is a beautiful blend between pink, brown, and purple. It has been described as a must-have nude lipstick color. And as always with Chanel lipsticks, the formula does not disappoint. It is super hydrating, keeps your lips moisturized during the day, and the color stays on. Let me swatch this beautiful nude color for you. As you can see, it has a lot of brown, but it is perfectly combined with a dusty rose color. It has just the right amount of shine for a youthful and healthy and hydrated look. It can also be used on top of a regular lipstick if you just want that extra shine. It is a little buildable, like you can see here, but I would say it's preferred to use it as a sheer lipstick. If you are looking for the perfect nude color with a high quality formula and a beautiful shine, this is the right lipstick for you.